Okay, guys, this is your boy Cam at Cam's Crappie Hole. Let me see if I can show you the time. You guys saw my post earlier. It is 12:36. Today is the 5th EST time. Here at Cam's Crappie Hole, YouTube fishing. Okay, you guys saw my post earlier this morning. I caught those cycle A, aka specks, aka crappie, aka paper mouth, aka calico bass, whatever you want to call them. That's all we do here at Cam's Crappie Hole. Okay, listen, fall is here. Look at the leaves on the ground. See the leaves? Guys, the big crappie. If you're looking for a wall hanger, this is the perfect time to get ready to catch crappie. I'm telling you, okay? I'm going to give you everything you need with just a few clicks, okay? This is the new Goldfinger. I have to cover Goldfinger first, okay? Stinger Shad. I'm going to be using this tip with a minnow. There's the 100 pack. There's the 35 pack. You choose whichever one you want. The 100 pack comes with free shipping, okay? It comes with free shipping. So all you got to do is do a couple clicks, put it in your cart, check out. That's all you have to do. Nothing else. The hyperlink will be right below. The hyperlink to the store. Goldfinger, okay? There's the 35 pack. Okay, you can't decide what you want. All right, because you like using other items, okay? Look, I got kits. All these two on the top are all plastic kits. These are the Stinger Shad kits, okay? The White Knight, the Firetail, Monkey Milk and Chartreuse, Red, Black, and Chartreuse, Midnight Storm, Black and Chartreuse. All of them have the hologram flake in it. We're the only people that carry that hologram flake, okay? That's the 150 pieces. Comes in this nice, neat, water-resistant carrying case. Plus, you get a coupon. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it for you. You get a coupon on your next purchase. Listen, quiet as kept. When you get ready to purchase any one of these kits, they come with free shipping. Plus, at checkout, use the code HOOKS. You get 10% off plus free shipping. Any one of these kits. Okay, Stinger Shad isn't what you use. Use Curly Tail. These are all plastic. Look, Black and Chartreuse, Orange Crush, Monkey Milk and Chartreuse, Blue, Black and Chartreuse, Red, Black and Chartreuse, and Firetail. All these are Curly Tail, 150 pieces. You don't need hardware. All you need is plastics. I got you covered. Free shipping. Okay, Cam, I like the kits, but I need hardware in mine. Look, you know we're home of the Nasty Bin hook. In this kit, this is called the Goldfinger kit. As soon as the website opens up, you'll see it. You stroll down, you'll see it. The Goldfinger kit. You get the 1/8 Nasty Bin hook. In case you need to get down to 20 feet, you need to get down there fast. Plus you get the 1/16 black. You get the chartreuse, and you get the 1/16 non-painted minnow head. 120 pieces. 120 pieces. You get the Monkey Milk and Chartreuse, Midnight Storm, that Goldfinger, and you get the Black and Chartreuse. Listen, if Black and Chartreuse ain't working, take off Black and Chartreuse and put on Black and Chartreuse. Plus you get a sticker. All this comes in a kit plus free shipping. Okay, look at this. Clearwater kit. You get the pink, hot pink. You get the 1/8 non-painted. You get the Monkey Milk and Chartreuse, Red, Black, and Chartreuse. You get that blue ice. Plus you get the White Knight. Crappie are getting ready to start fattening up because they're going to be chasing shad. That's what this, they're already starting already. What does this look like? A shad. Okay? I tip these with a minnow. Plus you get the chartreuse, Nasty Bin hook, 1/16, and you get the 1/16 non-painted. Guys, all this is on my website. We have the largest e-commerce crappie and panfish selection of anywhere in the world online. Nobody can beat us. In one store, we got almost 1,200 products. In the other overflow store, so much stuff we had to open up a second store, Cam's Crappie Combos, if you need a rod to go with your favorite reel or you need a reel to go with your favorite rod. Okay? Listen, I wanted to come on here and talk. I'm just showing you these kits. I'm going to come back again in the next 48 hours and show you some more kits. Nobody can touch us when it comes to kits. So if you need to get your stuff, guys, I can get it to you just in time for fall crappie fishing. This is your boy Cam at Cam's Crappie Hole. Check me out on YouTube. Almost 900 segments. Yank!